Good morning. So my name's Dave, and I've just gone through an operation, and I found myself at a loss, really, sitting around doing nothing at home, self-employed. So I decided to take a look at this. What do you call it? Internet. Yep, that's how technology I am. Normally I'm an electrician. I do solar panels, etc. And I'm up on roofs and under people's floorboards, and behind their beds, doing the plug sockets, or under a cupboard under the stairs. So, and the trouble is, once you've had stents fitted, etc., it's very difficult. You have to change your lifestyle. I'm afraid there's no more carrying heavy ladders up tower blocks, and what with parking these days, you park at one end of a road and the house you need's the other end, and you've got to carry all your tools. So I thought, well, while I'm off for sort of 6 months, because that's what it's taking, about 3 weeks ago I decided to take a look at this making money online. So I had a look at it. I tried to get benefits, etc., but it doesn't work. It doesn't work. When you're self-employed, they don't want to know any assets you've got. You've got no chance of retaining any real money, from them. I think 11 quid was what they offered for a month. Yeah, £11.80. So, and then I believe the wife did. She only works 3 times a week part time. Done an extra hour or something, or hour and a half, and the next month I said we've got no benefit whatsoever. So yeah, thanks government for me being self-employed, who pays a lot more taxes than Joe Public, who just generally works for somebody. We're buying materials day and night, giving you tax there, VAT on everything. So petrol, we're all up and down the country. We don't go 100 yards 2 mile, we're in work, or 10-30 mile, and that's it, fixed every day. We do 100 miles, 300 miles, 500 miles in a day, 1,000 miles. So 1 minute if we're on call, we could be Scotland, we could be Wales, England, anywhere. So Ireland even. There you go, give you another one. And this means it's a lot of travelling. You're in a van where it's boiling hot in the summer. You got your aircon, but then it costs you more money. So what I've decided to do is do a series of videos to see where I get with it. Now, I've put out about 10, and to be honest, they are rubbish. But everyone who's looked at them has basically said, oh, your voice, there's this, there's the editing issues, you haven't done that right, So really what I'm trying to do here is try and drive to a single route. How can I explain? I want to have one direction, but I can't sing. So if you know what I mean. Yeah, the idea is to guide people through the process of what I'm doing right now, the pitfalls, how much it costs, where you start. I've found that working on YouTube, there's a lot to it, but as soon as I found a few channels, which I'll talk about in my videos going forwards, I'll let you know all about those. So please like and subscribe, is it? Yeah, to this idiot here, and let's see where it takes us. Okay, thank you very much for listening. I've called myself AI Strategy, Real Strategies, because I was thinking of maybe a technical channel, how all this works, etc., how AI works for you in creating videos in today's life. I only live in a little flat, as you can see. My bar's not very big, but hey ho, that's life. But have a drink on me while I try and sort out some more videos. Okay, bye for now. Oh, there you go. Can't even put my hand in the right place. Oh, and that thing you see there, where is it? There you go. I'm all back to front here with this camera thing. It's like hitting yourself in the eye, isn't it? Anyway, this is what I had to do, because I unfortunately was a smoker. Not very many, but I've now given up with these things, which basically they're just like a plastic inhaler, but it's something in your hands to suggest that you've got a cigarette. And for 2 months now, I've not smoked. I'm over the moon, really. So anyone thinking of giving up, just nip to your doctors and say you want to give up, and you'll find they'll probably slap a couple of patches on you for 3 or 4 days while you take these, and then you'll be all right. Oh, there you go, a bit of free advertising. Woo! Anyway, bye for now, everyone. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.